Looks like this goes all the way to the top. I can't trust anyone, least of all the police, and time's running out. I've got to get the one piece of evidence that will expose Starkweather without a shadow of a doubt. Footage and testimony of a man who was executed by the state 5 hours ago. James Earl Cash, found guilty and sentenced to death, has been on death row for the past 3 years and was executed last night.
Hey, tough guy, wake up. You're not dead. Well, not yet, anyway. You're getting a second chance. Another throw of the dice. As far as the world is concerned, you died back in the chamber. Justice was served. James Earl Cash is rotting in hell. Hey, get a grip and calm down. You're probably suffering from shock, and I'm here to help. Pick up the earrings. Put it on. Go on. That's better. Now only you can hear me. And that's the way you're gonna want it, because I'm your only way out of here. Hey, easy. Look, you've had an unexpected reprieve. Do exactly as I say, and I promise this will be over before the night is out. These streets are being patrolled by gangs. They're scum, just like you. And they're here to hunt you down and cut you up. I'll try to direct you as best I can, but other than that, you're on your own. It's up to you. Okay, are you ready? Camera, action.
Here I am hanging like a limp dick while my Lucy's shacked up with some freaking prick.
Miss his face. I'll be frank with you. We set that jump up to see if you had what it takes to be our leading man. A little audition, if you will. Send him to hell. Great. You're getting a real taste for this. Here on in, we're gonna need some fighting skills to get through the action. We're talking toe to toe. I know you've got the balls, so just give me the best you've got and you'll deal with this pussy, no problem. The gate will open once I'm done filming here.
Uh-oh. You're blowing it now, boy. Yes, sirree. I'm gonna get you. Oh, I see him. He's over there. Come on, get out.
Kill him! You're gonna turn the Slash world on its head. Now just take your time, Cash. I see a few hoods around these vans. Sorry, I should explain. Each gang has their, let's just call it, their thing. These guys call themselves the Hoods, but none of that should bother you. As far as you're concerned, they're meat. Okay, on you go.
Blown it, you blown it!
You got a death wish, Cash? Use some stealth, for God's sake! Get freaky!
Hoods!
What does he mean we've all been carrying you?
Go on! Okay, there are some more of these shitheads hanging around the exit. Give me some grade A, honest-to-God gore, and you'll be buzzed through the door.
Came from over here.
Finish him! You're getting me all flustered here.
Hey, we got the dog! He's over here for sure! Must have been a garbage bag.
Snuff him out.